はい、皆さん、こんにちは。ケラド先生です。皆さん、ちょっと待っててね。ちょっと待って。今日は、ちょっと待ってて。ちょっと待って。皆さん、違うがわかりますか？じゃあ、ちょっと待っててと、ちょっと待っての違うが、皆さんに説明していきたいと思います。じゃあ、最初はね、ちょっと待ってて、ちょっと待っててくださいね。So this one, it implies to continue waiting. Again, it implies to continue waiting. For example, guys, if you will go to the toilet, you can say, すいません。ちょっと待っててくださいね。If you want to say the word ちょっと待って、it implies you want to interrupt the person has a nuances. Stop what you are doing. Or just a second. Again. So you need to be careful. If you want to say, I will be back in shortly, just say the word ちょっと待ってて or ちょっと待っててください. But if you want to interrupt someone or what the person doing, again, you can say, ちょっと待って. Okay. So that's it, guys. I hope this helps. So you need to be careful because words is very sensitive. But most of the time, hindi na natin alam kung tama or mali yung ginagamit natin. Again, use the word ちょっと待ってて. If you want to say, please wait a little bit, extend your patience or a bit more, continue waiting. Use ちょっと待って if you want to stop the person that doing something na hindi okay or disagree kayo sa ginagawa niya. I hope this works. じゃあ、またよろしくお願いしますね。じゃあね。Bye bye.
Is studying, living, and working in Japan part of your wish list? Wish granted with beyondovisa and educational consultancy services. We are a student visa consultancy firm that assists young professionals on how to study in Japan through our work and study program. We provide transparency in our program, having a company owner who has been in Japan on a student visa program for 2 years, studying the Japanese language. Our friendly staff also speaks Japanese and will guide you through the entire application process. Our partner language schools in Japan are accommodating. Free one-on-one orientation over the phone may be provided. We also offer private online tutorial in Japanese language and Japanese flashcards. We execute what we promise and only promise what we can deliver. Be the next Filipino student visa holder in Japan. Messages for more details.